Dansoy, welcome back. Welcome to the Dansoy kitchen. This is leftover meal 3. Today is a day of cooking leftovers, so nothing goes to waste. I'm going to use the same pan I used for leftover meal 2. It still has all the ingredients in there and like all the oil. I'll just add more oil, but it'll be good to recook it there, not have to keep washing pans. So a lot of times you can, when you cook meals, you can either wipe a pan clean or just reuse it if you can. But do whatever's better for you, which is more convenient. But I cooked salmon, I think it was like Sunday, and I have it left over. It's in this Ziploc bag, and the flavors and the colors are all together. It's going to be rough for me to eat this, so I'm going to take the remaining stuff that I have left over for this week. I just got new food today, Wednesday, so I'm going to do another leftover meal. This one's going to be simple and easy. That's what's easy about that. So I still have the spinach left over. I have the salmon, the Atlantic salmon that has lime and all kinds of ingredients in there. I'm going to use the same pan. I got 2 lime wedges. I got red onion, more garlic, and this time I have diced fire roasted tomatoes. Excuse me, that's fire roasted tomatoes. I always have tomatoes in this house. I got the sea salt, the pepper, and of course I always have olive oil. But when I cook, I have red wine, white wine, Marsala, and the olive oil. So there's always wines here to add to the flavor. But I'm just chilling out in my house right now. Sorry if it's a little mess, but there's my Dansoy channel. The light is really bad in here because it's just early spring, and the summer sun hasn't really reached the high point, but it's nighttime now, so I'll be back. God bless all. Hello YouTube and Facebook, I'm back. I got the salmon in the pan that we used before, and when I put it in there, I shredded it all, so it's like shredded salmon. I have it on medium heat. We're just going to take the spinach, and we're going to just throw the remaining spinach in there. So when you throw that spinach in there, you're gonna put a... Hello YouTube and Facebook. Sorry, I'm off on my video skills today. Today is not a good day, but so far the cooking's going good. So I have the spinach in there, the salmon. You can tell there's nothing left. I put olive oil in there, and then we're just gonna cover that now. We're going to cover that and let the spinach cook down a little bit, and then we'll add the garlic and onion, and then we'll squeeze the lime in there and put some fire roasted tomatoes in there. But you can hear it right now. So we're back. We have that cover on. We're going to take that off. You can see it. We're going to take some pepper, put that in there. And we're going to put some sea salt in there. I'm not a really fan for cooking with a lot of salt, but this one would be good with salt. Got a crazy pot over there. Today is not the day for videotaping, but hey, I'll also make the best of it. Now we're going to just cover that again. Let it go for like 30 seconds, and then we'll add the other stuff. Hello friends, we're back again. We're going to uncover that. You can see everything coming together. We're going to take the garlic and onion, toss that in there. Then if you want, you can add some fire roasted tomatoes to this. Right now I have the heat on low until we get all these ingredients in there, and then you can turn it up. You can stir that, and like right now I'm just going to put the cover back on. We're almost there. That's the one thing about leftover meals. Everything is easy. We got rid of most of the stuff. We only have the limes to squeeze in there, and we already used the salt and pepper. So be back. Alright, we are back. We're going to take that cover off. Hear that right there. We're going to just take our limes in there and squeeze the juice. So that's in there. Just going to want to stir it. Make sure your heat is on medium. There's our crazy pot again today. Something's going on here. Sorry, this is live cooking, no edit. The bloopers are in there. I'm an ordinary guy just like you. But let's let that go for 30 seconds and then we'll be done and plate it. So we're back, YouTube. There it is. That's a salmon and tomato and a little bit of spinach, some fire roasted tomatoes, garlic, and onion. But like I said, my mother taught me to recook food that is left over, so you don't have to toss it. So I just cooked this up, and I could eat it tomorrow, and tomorrow night maybe get the next day out of it. So it's always great to do that stuff. Let me just plate this, and then we're done. You can either plate it, or you could put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer and let all the flavors infuse together. Be back. We're back, YouTube. There's that salmon grill. Salmon fry, whatever you want to call it. We can name it whatever you want to call it. We're in this together. But it's hard to see, but you can see all the oils and flavors on the side of the salmon. That looks really good. And like I said, you could put this over rice, pasta, noodles, quinoa. You can use it as a side. You could just eat it, or you could put it back in a Ziploc bag and stick it into the refrigerator and let the flavors infuse even more. But this is what you can do with leftovers. Why toss them? There's so much hunger in the world. You might as well not toss food. But thanks for visiting my channel. Thanks to my viewers. Can you hit like, please? And new people, can you subscribe and hit the bell? I'm going to try to bring you 4 or 5 updates like I said before. God bless and peace out. Dansoy 2019.